Hey, we're in a new month, and that new month is June, and it's National Safety Month. And on today's Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about exit routes, drills, and emergency lighting. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Emergencies don't send calendar invites. A fire's not going to wait until everybody remembers the exit route. A severe storm isn't going to pause while someone checks the location of the assembly point. Power could drop, alarms can sound, people can panic, fast, dangerous, and as always, it's preventable. That's why emergency preparedness matters during National Safety Month and all the time. It's not about checking a box, it's about making sure that every person in your facility knows exactly where to go, what to do, and how to help others move safely when seconds matter. And a strong safety culture doesn't wait for emergencies to expose weak spots. It finds them early. It trains them. It fixes them before they cause someone to get hurt. And here's a few tips that are going to help you with National Safety Month, Week 1, in emergency preparedness. Number 1, you want to review exit routes before they're needed. Walk the facility and confirm the exit paths are clear, marked, and easy to follow. Don't assume that everyone knows the way out. New employees, visitors, contractors, and temporary workers may need extra direction. And a great way to do that is to use safety floor tape like our sponsor Mighty Line. Not only does it give them direction as to where to go, but if the lights go out, they do have tape that will light up and shine the way. So make sure that you look into that because it's going to be something that is going to greatly help your facility. Number 2, you want to confirm assembly point locations. Make sure that every crew member knows where to report after leaving the facility. The assembly point should be far enough from danger, easy to find, and clear of traffic or emergency response areas. Number 3, you want to run no-notice fire and weather drills. Planned drills help, but location and surprise drills show what people really know. Watch the crew respond. Look for confusion, blocked paths, missing head counts, and slow reactions. Number 4, you want to check emergency lighting. If the power goes out, emergency lights are going to become the guide rope. Test them on a regular schedule, replace weak batteries, damaged units, and lights that don't cover key walkways, stairs, exits, or work areas. And again, if you have a product like Mighty Line Glow Tape, that's going to show them the way as well. And last but certainly not least, number 5, use every drill as a teaching moment. Don't shame people for mistakes. Fix the gaps, talk through what happened, and update procedures when needed. A drill that reveals a problem is doing its job. As always, these are potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. Emergency preparedness works best before the smoke, sirens, wind, or darkness shows up. That's the whole point. You train on a normal day so people can react on the worst day. This week, look at your facility with fresh eyes. Find the blocked exit, check the weak light, and ask the employee who looks unsure. Then fix what needs fixing. Safety isn't just about paperwork. It's about going home because someone cared enough to prepare. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week, stay safe, and here's a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line Floor Tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line Floor Tape, the only durable stripe.